Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of operations management and why it's so crucial for any business. Operations management is the backbone that keeps organizations running smoothly, ensuring that resources are used efficiently and products or services are delivered on time. Whether you're running a small startup or a large corporation, understanding operations management can make a significant difference in your success. In this video, we'll explore what operations management is, its key components, and how it impacts every aspect of a business. Let's get started by defining what operations management really means and why it matters. Operations management refers to the administration of business practices to create the highest level of efficiency possible within an organization. It involves planning, organizing, and supervising processes, as well as making necessary improvements for higher profitability. This field is all about transforming inputs, like materials, labor, and technology, into outputs, such as goods and services. By focusing on optimizing these processes, businesses can reduce costs, improve quality, and deliver better value to their customers. Now, let's look at the core objectives of operations management and how they shape business performance. Main objectives of operations management are to maximize efficiency, minimize costs, and ensure high-quality output. These goals are achieved by carefully designing workflows, managing resources, and continuously seeking improvements. Operations managers strive to balance cost with quality and speed, making sure that the business can meet customer demands without overspending. By focusing on these objectives, companies can stay competitive in their markets and build a reputation for reliability. Next, we'll explore the key functions that operations managers perform to achieve these objectives. Operations management covers a wide range of functions, including product design, quality management, process optimization, supply chain management, and inventory control. Each of these functions plays a vital role in ensuring that the business operates smoothly and meets its goals. For example, product design ensures that offerings meet customer needs, while quality management maintains high standards. Process optimization looks for ways to make workflows more efficient, and supply chain management ensures timely delivery of materials. Let's take a closer look at each of these functions, starting with product design. Product design is the foundation of operations management. It involves creating products or services that fulfill customer needs while being cost-effective to produce. A well-designed product not only attracts customers, but also simplifies the manufacturing process, reducing waste and errors. Operations managers work closely with design teams to ensure that new products are feasible and align with the company's capabilities. By integrating customer feedback and market trends, businesses can stay ahead of the competition. Next, we'll see how quality management supports product design and overall business success. Quality management is all about maintaining high standards throughout the production process. It ensures that every product or service meets or exceeds customer expectations. This involves setting quality benchmarks, monitoring performance, and implementing improvements when needed. Operations managers use various tools and techniques, such as Six Sigma or total quality management, to identify and eliminate defects. By focusing on quality, businesses can build trust with customers and reduce costly returns or complaints. Now, let's move on to process optimization and its impact on efficiency. Process optimization is a key responsibility in operations management. It involves analyzing existing workflows and finding ways to make them more efficient. This could mean automating repetitive tasks, reorganizing teams, or adopting new technologies. The goal is to reduce waste, lower costs, and speed up production without sacrificing quality. Operations managers often use data and analytics to identify bottlenecks and measure performance. By continuously improving processes, businesses can respond quickly to market changes and customer demands. Next, we'll discuss the importance of supply chain management. Supply chain management ensures that materials and products move smoothly from suppliers to customers. It involves coordinating with vendors, managing inventory, and overseeing logistics. Effective supply chain management helps businesses avoid delays, reduce costs, and maintain product quality. Operations managers must anticipate potential disruptions and develop backup plans to keep things running smoothly. By building strong relationships with suppliers and using technology to track shipments, companies can improve reliability and customer satisfaction. Let's now look at the role of inventory control in operations management. Inventory control is about maintaining the right balance of stock to meet customer demand without overstocking or running out. Too much inventory ties up capital and increases storage costs, while too little can lead to missed sales and unhappy customers. Operations managers use forecasting tools and inventory management systems to track stock levels and predict future needs. By optimizing inventory, businesses can reduce waste, save money, and ensure products are always available when needed. Next, we'll explore how technology is transforming operations management. Technology is revolutionizing operations management by automating processes, improving communication, and providing real-time data. Tools like enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, artificial intelligence, and robotics are helping businesses streamline operations and make better decisions. With technology, companies can monitor performance, track shipments, and manage resources more effectively. This leads to faster response times, lower costs, and higher customer satisfaction. As technology continues to evolve, operations managers must stay updated and adapt quickly. Let's see how data and analytics support decision-making in operations. Data and analytics play a crucial role in modern operations management. By collecting and analyzing data from various sources, operations managers can identify trends, forecast demand, and make informed decisions. This helps businesses optimize processes, reduce costs, and improve customer service. For example, analyzing sales data can help predict which products will be in demand, allowing for better inventory planning. Data-driven decisions also support continuous improvement by highlighting areas that need attention. Now, let's discuss the importance of communication and teamwork in operations. Effective communication and teamwork are essential for successful operations management. Operations managers must coordinate with different departments, such as marketing, finance, and production, to ensure everyone is aligned with business goals. Clear communication helps prevent misunderstandings and ensures that tasks are completed on time. Teamwork fosters collaboration, allowing employees to share ideas and solve problems together. By building a strong team culture, businesses can improve efficiency and adapt quickly to changes. Next, we'll look at the role of leadership in operations management. Strong leadership is vital in operations management. Leaders set the vision, motivate teams, and drive change. They must be able to make tough decisions, manage conflicts, and inspire others to achieve their best. Effective leaders also encourage innovation and continuous improvement, helping the business stay ahead of competitors. By providing clear direction and support, operations managers can build trust and commitment within their team. Let's now explore how customer focus shapes operations management strategies. Customer focus is at the heart of operations management. Every process from product design to delivery should be centered around meeting customer needs and expectations. Operations managers gather feedback, monitor satisfaction, and make adjustments to improve the customer experience. By prioritizing customer needs, businesses can build loyalty and gain a competitive edge. This approach also helps identify new opportunities for growth and innovation. Next, we'll discuss how sustainability is becoming a key consideration in operations management. Sustainability is increasingly important in operations management. Businesses are under pressure to reduce their environmental impact and operate responsibly. This means using resources efficiently, minimizing waste, and adopting eco-friendly practices. Operations managers play a key role in implementing sustainable strategies, such as recycling programs or energy-efficient technologies. By focusing on sustainability, companies can improve their reputation, comply with regulations, and attract environmentally conscious customers. Let's now look at the challenges faced in operations management. Operations managers face a variety of challenges, from managing costs and meeting deadlines to handling supply chain disruptions and adapting to new technologies. Globalization has increased competition, making it even more important to operate efficiently. Unexpected events like natural disasters or pandemics can disrupt operations and require quick responses. Staying flexible and proactive is key to overcoming these challenges. Next, we'll explore some strategies for effective operations management in today's fast-paced business environment. Succeed in operations management, businesses need effective strategies. This includes setting clear goals, using data to guide decisions, and investing in employee training. Embracing technology and innovation can also give companies a competitive edge. Operations managers should regularly review processes, seek feedback, and make adjustments as needed. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement, businesses can stay agile and responsive. Now let's see how operations management supports overall business growth. Operations management is a driving force behind business growth. By optimizing processes, reducing costs, and improving quality, businesses can increase profitability and expand their market share. Efficient operations also free up resources for investment in new products or markets. Operations managers play a key role in scaling up production and ensuring that growth is sustainable. Let's now look at how operations management contributes to competitive advantage. Well-managed operations function gives businesses a significant competitive advantage. By delivering products faster, maintaining high quality, and keeping costs low, companies can stand out in crowded markets. Operations management also enables businesses to respond quickly to customer needs and market changes. This agility is crucial for long-term success. Next, we'll discuss the relationship between operations management and other business functions. Operations management doesn't work in isolation. It's closely linked with other business functions like marketing, finance, and human resources. For example, marketing teams rely on operations to deliver products on time, while finance teams need accurate data on costs and inventory. Collaboration between departments ensures that the business runs smoothly and meets its goals. Let's now explore the role of innovation in operations management. Innovation is essential for keeping operations management effective and relevant. This could mean adopting new technologies, experimenting with different workflows, or finding creative solutions to problems. Operations managers who encourage innovation can help their businesses stay ahead of trends and competitors. By fostering a culture that values new ideas, companies can continuously improve and adapt to changing markets. Next, we'll look at the importance of risk management in operation. Risk management is a critical aspect of operations management. It involves identifying potential risks, assessing their impact, and developing strategies to mitigate them. Risks can come from various sources, such as supply chain disruptions, equipment failures, or market fluctuations. By preparing for these risks, operations managers can minimize their impact and keep the business running smoothly. Let's now discuss the importance of continuous improvement in operations management. Continuous improvement is at the core of successful operations management. This philosophy encourages businesses to constantly evaluate and enhance their processes. Techniques like Kaizen or lean manufacturing help identify inefficiencies and drive positive change. Operations managers who embrace continuous improvement can boost productivity, reduce costs, and increase employee engagement. By making small incremental changes, businesses can achieve significant long-term benefit. Next, we'll look at the role of training and development in operations management. Investing in training and development is essential for effective operations management. Well-trained employees are more productive, make fewer mistakes, and adapt quickly to new processes or technologies. Operations managers should provide regular training opportunities and encourage skill development. This not only improves performance but also boosts morale and job satisfaction. By building a skilled workforce, businesses can maintain high standards and respond to challenges more effectively. Let's now discuss the importance of performance measurement. Performance measurement is crucial for tracking progress and identifying areas for improvement. Operations managers use key performance indicators, KPIs, to monitor efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. Regularly reviewing these metrics helps businesses stay on track and make informed decisions. By setting clear targets and measuring results, companies can drive continuous improvement and achieve their goals. Next, we'll explore how operations management supports customer satisfaction. Operations management plays a direct role in customer satisfaction. By ensuring products are delivered on time, meet quality standards, and are available when needed, businesses can exceed customer expectations. Operations managers monitor feedback and make adjustments to improve the customer experience. Satisfied customers are more likely to return and recommend the business to others. Let's now look at the importance of flexibility in operations management. Flexibility is essential for adapting to changing market conditions and customer needs. Operations managers must be able to adjust production schedules, switch suppliers, or introduce new products quickly. This agility helps businesses stay competitive and respond to unexpected challenges. Flexible operations also allow companies to take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. Next, we'll discuss the importance of cost control in operations management. Cost control is a major focus in operations management. By monitoring expenses and finding ways to reduce waste, businesses can improve profitability. Operations managers analyze spending, negotiate with suppliers, and implement cost-saving measures. Effective cost control ensures that resources are used efficiently and that the business remains financially healthy. Let's now look at the role of supply chain resilience in operations management. Supply chain resilience is about preparing for and responding to disruptions. Operations managers develop contingency plans, diversify suppliers, and use technology to monitor risks. By building a resilient supply chain, businesses can minimize the impact of unexpected events and maintain operations. This is especially important in today's globalized economy, where disruptions can have far-reaching effects. Next, we'll discuss the importance of ethical practices in operations management. Ethical practices are essential in operations management. This means treating employees fairly, sourcing materials responsibly, and complying with laws and regulations. Ethical operations build trust with customers, employees, and partners. Operations managers must ensure that the business acts with integrity at every stage of the process. By prioritizing ethics, companies can avoid legal issues and enhance their reputation. Let's now look at the role of globalization in operations management. Globalization has transformed operations management by increasing competition and expanding markets. Businesses must now manage international supply chains, comply with global standards, and adapt to cultural differences. Operations managers need to be aware of global trends and adjust strategies accordingly. While globalization offers new opportunities, it also brings challenges like currency fluctuations and political instability. Next, we'll discuss the importance of compliance in operations management. Compliance is a key responsibility in operations management. Businesses must follow laws and regulations related to labor, safety, and the environment. Operations managers develop policies and procedures to ensure compliance and avoid penalties. Regular audits and training help maintain high standards. By prioritizing compliance, companies can protect their reputation and build trust with stakeholders. Let's now look at the importance of customer feedback in operations management. Customer feedback is invaluable for improving operations management. By listening to customers, businesses can identify areas for improvement and make necessary changes. Operations managers use surveys, reviews, and direct communication to gather feedback. This information helps refine products, enhance service, and increase satisfaction. Regularly seeking feedback also shows customers that their opinions matter. Next, we'll discuss the importance of adaptability in operations management. Adaptability is crucial for operations managers facing a rapidly changing business environment. This means being open to new ideas, adjusting strategies quickly, and embracing change. Adaptable operations managers can help their businesses survive and thrive during periods of uncertainty. By encouraging flexibility and innovation, companies can stay ahead of competitors and respond to new challenges. Let's now look at the role of digital transformation in operations management. Digital transformation is reshaping operations management. Businesses are adopting digital tools to automate tasks, improve communication, and enhance decision-making. Operations managers must lead these changes, ensuring that employees are trained and systems are integrated. Digital transformation can boost efficiency, reduce errors, and open up new opportunities for growth. As technology continues to evolve, staying ahead of digital trends is essential for success. Next, we'll discuss the importance of strategic planning in operations management. Strategic planning is a cornerstone of effective operations management. It involves setting long-term goals, analyzing market trends, and allocating resources wisely. Operations managers work with leadership teams to develop strategies that support business objectives. Regularly reviewing and updating plans ensures that the business stays on course. Strategic planning also helps businesses anticipate challenges and seize new opportunities. Let's now look at the importance of resource allocation in operations management. Resource allocation is about distributing resources, such as time, money, and personnel, effectively to achieve business goals. Operations managers must prioritize tasks, assign responsibilities, and ensure that resources are used efficiently. Proper resource allocation helps prevent bottlenecks and ensures that projects are completed on time and within budget. By regularly reviewing resource needs, businesses can adapt to changing circumstances and maintain high performance. Next, we'll discuss the importance of process standardization. Process standardization involves creating uniform procedures for completing tasks. This ensures consistency, reduces errors, and makes training easier. Operations managers develop standard operating procedures (SOPs) and ensure that employees follow them. Standardization also supports quality control and compliance. By streamlining processes, businesses can operate more efficiently and deliver consistent results. Let's now look at the importance of monitoring and evaluation in operations management. Monitoring and evaluation are essential for ensuring that operations run smoothly. Operations managers track performance, identify issues, and implement corrective actions as needed. Regular evaluation helps businesses stay on track and achieve their goals. By using data and feedback, companies can make informed decisions and continuously improve. Monitoring also helps identify training needs and resource gaps. Next, we'll discuss the importance of supplier relationships in operations management. Building strong relationships with suppliers is vital for effective operations management. Reliable suppliers ensure that materials are delivered on time and meet quality standards. Operations managers work closely with suppliers to negotiate terms, resolve issues, and develop long-term partnerships. Good supplier relationships can lead to better prices, improved quality, and greater flexibility. Let's now look at the importance of customer service in operations management. Customer service is a key component of operations management. It involves responding to customer inquiries, resolving complaints, and providing support throughout the buying process. Operations managers ensure that customer service teams are well-trained and equipped to handle issues quickly and professionally. Excellent customer service builds loyalty and encourages repeat business. By prioritizing customer needs, businesses can differentiate themselves from competitors. Next, we'll discuss the importance of scalability in operations management. Scalability is the ability to grow operations without sacrificing efficiency or quality. Operations managers plan for growth by designing flexible processes and investing in scalable technologies. This ensures that the business can handle increased demand and expand into new markets. Scalability also helps businesses respond to seasonal fluctuations or sudden spikes in demand. Let's now look at the importance of employee engagement in operations management. Engaged employees are more productive, motivated, and committed to the business's success. Operations managers foster engagement by providing opportunities for growth, recognizing achievements, and encouraging open communication. Engaged teams are more likely to contribute new ideas and support continuous improvement. By investing in employee engagement, businesses can improve performance and retain top talent. Next, we'll discuss the importance of workplace safety in operations management. Workplace safety is a top priority in operations management. Ensuring a safe environment protects employees and reduces the risk of accidents or injuries. Operations managers develop safety policies, provide training, and conduct regular inspections. A safe workplace also boosts morale and productivity. By prioritizing safety, businesses can avoid costly incidents and comply with regulations. Let's now summarize the key takeaways from our discussion on operations management. Summary: operations management is essential for business success. It covers everything from product design and quality control to supply chain management and customer service. By focusing on efficiency, innovation, and continuous improvement, businesses can achieve their goals and stay competitive. Operations managers play a vital role in driving growth, managing risks, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Remember, effective operations management is the key to building a strong, resilient, and successful business. Thanks for watching and keep striving for operational excellence.